ACOS stands for, let's just put it up here for you. ACOS. That stands for Advertising Cost of Sale. What is an acceptable, interesting choice of word, ACOS? Well, of course, you'll be delighted to know the answer to that depends. Now, what the hell does it depend on? Well, it depends what your outcome is for your PPC. I use PPC for 3 different things. Thing number 1 is I use PPC for product launches. Now, my outcome for a product launch is to rank my product on Amazon. So I'm not looking to make money. Therefore, when I do that, I'm looking to rank. So my ACOS kind of goes out the window. It's just a cost. It's an advertising. It's a ranking cost to me rather than an advertising cost. So that gives you one set of ACOS. That can be as high as you can tolerate, really, for that. Next, I use it for making money. And let's just go into here and let's just have a look at something. So let's use this toilet. What are we on? Amazon.com. That'll do. And let's just get this. So here's how I work out what my ACOS can be. Let's just search for this product. That'll do. So the product costs what? $238. So let's suppose the item price. So I'm just using the Fulfilled by Amazon revenue calculator to work out my costs, and then we can work out ACOS. So let's suppose my item price, it costs me, I don't know, $50 to buy that product. My shipping cost to get that from China into FBA, let's say that overall is $15 because it looks quite bulky. And my cost of product, oops, wrong one. We said it was $238.50. There we go. That's my cost of product. What have I done wrong here? Amazon, Fulfilled by Amazon fees. Oh my God. That is some seriously expensive shit. Total revenue. Selling Amazon fees. Must be my FBA fees. Must be just crazy. Clearly, I've chosen a completely shit-ass thing. Actually, let's just increase our price just so I get to show you something good. There we go. So I use this first of all to work out what my costs are going to be for the product, along with how much it costs me to get it into FBA warehouses, along with Amazon's fees. Okay, so I do that first and foremost. Then once I've figured that out, I can see that I've got, in this situation, $51 to play with. So I can spend up to $51 in advertising costs per sale, and then still be in the green, still be in the black, so to speak. So so in this situation, anything under an ACOS of 15% advertising cost of sale would work. So that's how you would work that out. There is no what is it or always, because it always depends on what your outcome is, what your costs are, what you're selling. But for me, with PPC, when I'm looking to make money, then literally, as long as I make $1, I don't give a shit. So if I've got keywords that only make me $1 in profit, I'll still run those keywords. That's A-OK by me. If I've got placements that only make me $1, then again, that's A-OK for me. I don't mind that at all. It's when they lose you money that it's a problem. Unless, of course, you're launching, in which case you're just trying to rank. So, Karen, I should tell you the third one as well. You also, it's a good idea as well, to run, but especially in competitive markets, even if I rank page 1, position 1 for a product, I still run PPC, because there is a positive correlation between running PPC and ranking well on Amazon. So I just keep it running all the time so that I maintain my top rank all the time as well. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.